Good morning, friends. My name is 𝗟𝘂𝗺𝗶 and I work with Lumi Insights. Lumi Insights is a software company. We are the makers of the Lumi Business Software. Now, what is the Lumi Business Software? It's an inventory and accounting software that is designed to help all business owners to manage their stock and inventory. In this video, I want to talk about how you can use the software to sell to your customers. How you go to sell to a customer that wants to make an order. So the customer comes to make an order, you understand the steps and the features that you need to put on the software that will help you to achieve that particular purpose. So please watch this video. Any questions, any comments, if you want to connect with me to ask questions, please feel free to do that after this video. Thank you. This is the Lumi Business Inventory and Accounting Software. Now, what you are seeing here is a software that is actually for all business owners to help them be able to manage and track their inventory. The Lumi Business Software is created by the Lumi Insights company. It's a software company. Now, this software you're seeing here is a very simple software to use. It's easy to use and is user-friendly. It's a software that was designed for the Nigerian market for all business owners to use. So, irrespective of how tech-savvy you are, you might not be very familiar with technology, but this software helps you in the area of managing your inventory. It makes it very easy for you to manage and track your inventory. The beauty about this software is that it's a cloud-based software, meaning that at the comfort of your home, you can still track your inventory, you can still monitor your store wherever you are, even if you're not in the country. You can still track your staffs, your salesperson, cashier, whatever it is they are doing, their sales activities, you can track all these things. The software is very easy to use, and it's a straight to the point software. That means whenever you're actually looking for, you understand, you just want to click on that button and you get details that you really need. Now, this software, as I said, is user-friendly, and the best part of it is very affordable. The subscription plan is very flexible. You can do it monthly, you can do it yearly. Though we have 3 different plans, but the cheapest plan, if you are doing it monthly, is just 5,000 naira per month. You can't get that anywhere. Yes, and so our software is designed, as I say, for the Nigerian market. You don't need to start converting currencies before you can start using this software. In particular, topic for today that I want to discuss about is the sell mode, how you can sell using the Lumi Business Inventory software. Now, let me show you how you can sell. First of all, you need to go to this button here. Don't worry, I'll do like a full coverage of all the features that you can see right here. But the sell feature is what I want to demonstrate for you all. How to get to the sell feature is you click on the inventory button here. You can notice that we have 2 modes. We have the sell mode, we have the manage mode. The manage mode is actually your back office where you can track all your inventory. You can also record your sales, and where you can track your sales are being recorded, and also if you want to do any form of restock, removing any products that has expired or damaged, you can do that on this particular place under the manage mode. It also allows you to track your debtors, that's under the credit logs. Do your stock taking, that's under reconciliation. If you want to track the history of all your stock, this is where you go. For sales transactions, that's any transaction you've done, whatever it is, you transact with the customer. Once it makes an order and you sell to that customer and issue a receipt, it's saved under the sales transaction. The supplier section allows you to track your suppliers. Don't worry, all these things I will do a video on each of every one of them so that you can know how to use this software effectively. Now we are going to the sale mode, and this is the particular button to press for you to get to the sale mode. So if a customer comes to make an order, all you need to do is click on this sell mode. Once I click on it, it takes me to where all my stores are located. You can see all your stores here. So if you have stores in different states, different locations, you see all of them here. Just say you have like 10 branches, you see all your 10 branches listed here. But creating a store is dependent on your subscription plan. Don't worry, with time you get to know how our subscription plan works. Though you can check on the updates that have been posted on the platform or on the website. You can see the different features and benefits of our subscription plan. Now I want to use this store, the pharmacy. Though I have other stores, we have the restaurant and supermarket, but I want to use this store to sell. So a customer comes into my shop to buy a drug. All I need to do is just click on my store. It takes me to the portion where I can attend to the customer. So this is actually what the sell section looks like. It comes with a search bar where you can search for the product, or you can use your scanner to scan the product so that it can identify the product that the customer wants to buy. This is the cart where you list all the products the customer is making, actually wants to buy. These are all the list of the products I have. You can see this green indicator means the number in stock. If it's green, it means that you have enough stock. If it's red, it tells you that you don't have much in your store and you need to restock. The beautiful thing about software is that your products can never go out of stock because you'll be getting notification every day from the system notifying you that your product is about to go out of stock. Now let's just say a customer wants to buy a drug and the actual drug that he wants to buy is the 𝗂𝗵 All you need to do is just click on 𝗂𝗵. You type it on the search bar. You can see it has popped out. It shows me the selling price, which is 750 that I'm meant to sell that product. For me to click and get it to be on the cart, I just click on add to cart. You can see it has been listed on the cart. Now you can see system allows you to enter different price options. Like now, if you click on this change pricing, you can see it's actually for retail and wholesale price. If you have custom prices, custom pricing means you can change any price that you want, whether it is below the cost price or above the selling price, any price you want. But on the system, I've already saved the retail and wholesale price on the system. So let's just say the customer wants to buy this particular product at wholesale price. You can see on default it's showing his retail price that is there at 750 naira. So I want to sell it to him at wholesale price. If I click on the wholesale button, you can see the price has changed to 300 naira and the indicator shows that it's wholesale price I'm selling to the customer. Now I can put the quantity of that particular product 𝗂𝗵 the customer wants to buy. Let's say he wants to buy 10 sachets of 𝗂𝗵. I enter 10. You can see the system automatically adds it up for me. So altogether is now 7,500 naira that the customer is meant to pay. I can add more products. Let's say the customer wants to buy flagyl. All I need to do is just type flagyl. You can see show me I have 133 in stock. I click on add to cart. Once I click on add to cart, put the quantity here. Customer wants to buy like 5 sachets of flagyl. You can see altogether is 14,500 naira. The customer has ordered for all the total products he has ordered. Because system adds everything for you. So if you look at it, invariably you don't need a calculator. The system does the calculating for you. Let's say the customer wants to buy another product, Miss Mag. Just type in Miss Mag. You can see Miss Mag. I have different varieties of Miss Mag. I have the palm peck Miss Mag. You can see this is what I said earlier. If you have low stock, if your product is low in stock, it will indicate that it will show you a red indication, lets you know that that product is going out of stock. Now let's say our customer wants to buy this particular product, the Moku Miss Mag Silicate. I have 81 in stock, so I just click on add to cart. I put the quantity. Maybe he wants to buy like 10 sachets of that particular product. You can see all together in total is now 20,000 naira the customer is meant to pay. So you can add as many products based on what the customer is ordering, and once you are done, you can now check out. The system allows you to give discounts to customer. Let's say the customer wants to, I want to give the customer 2,000 naira discounts. I just enter the amount. You can see initially it was 20,000. take it away from 2,000 discount. Customer is left with 18,000 naira to pay. Now, if the customer is not right there in point of sale, and maybe he was making an order from his home or his office, and you normally do dispatch, you can charge delivery fee here. Just put the amount. Maybe you want to charge for transportation cost 4,000 naira. Altogether, it's now 22,000 naira that the customer is meant to pay. So once you are done, the customer can check out. Now, this button here is to pause the transaction. The customer is not ready to make payments. Maybe he's on a call, or maybe he's having issues with ATM cards to pay for what he has ordered. You can just pause the transaction. You will notice that all the things he has ordered will leave this cart, but it's not that it has been deleted. It's just that it has been suspended. The transaction has been suspended. So if the customer wants to pay for what if the customer is ready to make payment, you can just go to this particular button here, view, to recall back what he has ordered, and everything will recall back. You can see even the discount and delivery fee I gave the customer is also included, has been recalled back as well. So altogether, you can see the total price customer is meant to pay is 17,500 naira. So now I can check out. Checkout takes me to where the customer can pay what he has ordered. So if I click on the checkout button, it takes me to where the customer can pay for what he has actually ordered. So the system allows customer to pay in 5 different methods. If he's paying with cash, you click on the cash button, make sure that you count the money and it's complete before you confirm to print receipts. If the customer is using POS to pay, using his ATM card, make sure you click on the card button. Make sure the money has entered your account before you confirm to print receipt. If the customer wants to transfer money, he wants to pay through transfer, you click on the transfer button. And once the money enters your account, you confirm to print receipt. If the customer wants to pay on credit, maybe wants to pay you later, all you need to do, there are 3 important things you need to do. 1, you need to impute the date the customer wants to pay back. If he wants to pay back the next 3 days, you impute it. The customer's name, maybe the customer's name is Mr. Maxi, and the phone number of that customer. You have to indicate these 3 items. They are very, very important. See the name of the customer, the phone number, and the date he wants to pay back. So once you are done with that, you can now confirm to print receipt for the customer. Now, the last payment type is the split payment, which allows customer to pay part cash, part transfer, part card, or part credit. So any particular payment type he wants to make, you indicate it there. Let's just say from this 17,500, the customer doesn't have the full cash to pay this amount. Maybe he has just 10,000. You look for where it says cash 10,000. You indicate it there. The remaining 7,500, maybe you can split it among transfer, card, or credit. So if he says okay, the 7,500 wants to pay transfer, you look for where it says transfer, and automatically you can see the system has balanced. You can see the total of 17,500 has been split into, he paid 10,000 cash, he paid 7,500 as transfer. And if peradventure maybe he wants to owe the remaining balance, all he needs to do is just impute that 7,500 on the credit section where it says credit, so that you know that yes, the customer has paid 10,000 and is owing you 7,500. So we can see credit amount 7,500 means that it's owing you that amount. And I said anytime that the customer is paying on credit, there are 3 things he needs to do. 1, you have to put the customer's name and customer's phone number, and you have to put the date customer wants to pay back. So if you pay back in the next 3 days, you indicate it there. Once you are done, you can now click on this confirm button so that the customer can you can generate receipt for that customer. So let's say customer wants to pay using transfer. I click on the transfer button and I confirm. It takes me to the next stage to register the customer details. So if you look at it, if there's a queue in front of your point of sale, you don't necessarily need to register the customer details. This is based on your discretion. You understand? It's based on your discretion. If you want to do that, you can fill the details and submit, and the customer's details will be saved under the customer future. You can see the customer future here. All my customers and their phone numbers has been saved. So in case if I want to have it, this is to keep a record of all my customers that I am dealing with. So if you want to communicate with them, it's very easy for you to track. You search for their name, you see their phone number here, and you can communicate with them as well. All right, so if you don't want to fill all these details, you can skip this particular place by clicking on skip. It takes you to where you can print the receipts. Now this is what the receipt looks like. It's very detailed. You can see the time and date the transaction was done. Every other necessary details have been listed. You can see the total amount of products the customer ordered, 15,500 naira, and I charged him 4,000 naira for delivery fee, and also give him a discount of 2,000 naira. So altogether it's meant to be 17,500. So I now have three options to print receipts. If I have a printer in my office or in my shop, I click on this button. If you are using our POS, yes, the system comes with, our software comes with a POS. So if you are using our POS, all you need to do is just click on this button and it will come out from our POS. If you want to send it through WhatsApp or email address, you click on this button here, the send button. If it's email, you click on email and you enter the person's email address and you send the receipt. If it's WhatsApp, you click on WhatsApp, enter the person's phone number and you send the receipt. Automatically, the customer gets the receipt on his phone. Also, you have the system also allows you to generate waybill. So you can see this is the waybill feature. If I click on it, it opens for me where I can input the driver's details and other necessary and important details. Once I'm done, I print it out and attach it on the package that I want to deliver to that customer. So if you have customers that are far that you need to dispatch to, you need the waybill to attach to that package. Also, prescription for those that have a pharmacy and chemist, you can generate prescription for your customer, and it's very easy to use, and it's very good to use as well. So this is basically what the sell mode can offer you. I will still be updating you with some of our features, but this is just a little of what you can benefit. All right, thank you very much for watching this video. Any questions, any clarifications, please feel free to connect with me, and most importantly, subscribe. Please subscribe so that you can enjoy all our features. Our software is very affordable. I keep on saying it. With just 5,000 naira per month, you can use this software. Please subscribe and connect with me if you have more questions. Thank you very much.